Welcome to Pure Health Path Channel's another episode. Hey, future enthusiasts, buckle up as we dive into the electrifying world of the metaverse, where AI is reshaping our health and food experiences. Ready for a futuristic adventure? Let's go. And let me introduce you to the metaverse and health. In a world where reality and the digital realm seamlessly blend, even our food and health journeys are being transformed. Picture this. You step into a vibrant virtual kitchen, greeted by a friendly AI assistant named Nourish, who's here to revolutionize your health journey one delicious bite at a time. Let's see the future of virtual health consultations. Need a health checkup? No problem. In the metaverse, you can consult with virtual doctors and nutritionists in real time. Imagine receiving personalized health advice while lounging on your couch, all thanks to AI-powered avatars guiding you through every step. What about personalized nutrition? Say goodbye to one-size-fits-all diets. AI in the metaverse dives deep into your dietary preferences, health goals, and even genetic information to craft personalized food recommendations. Imagine Nourish curating meal plans that are as unique as you, a tailor-made diet ensuring you thrive. There would be therapeutic food adventures. Join virtual cooking classes led by holographic chefs who help you whip up health-boosting recipes with an artistic twist. Imagine the aroma of fresh, stress-relieving basil, or the calming scent of chamomile-infused bread wafting through your virtual kitchen. It's not just food, it's therapy on a plate. Not to forget about sustainable food practices. The metaverse isn't just about innovation, it's about sustainability too. Walk through virtual farms where you learn the secrets of eco-friendly agriculture. AI takes you on epic adventures through sustainable food production, teaching you how to reduce waste and make earth-loving choices. The future would be having virtual food markets. Grocery shopping in the metaverse is a sight to behold. Picture walking through bustling, vibrant virtual markets with stalls from around the globe. Shop for fresh produce, exotic ingredients, and artisanal products, all while AI avatars share fascinating stories about the origins and health benefits of each item. Look at enhanced social dining. The metaverse brings people together like never before. Host a virtual dinner party with friends from all corners of the world. Imagine laughing and sharing memories as holograms of your loved ones join you at the virtual dining table. Social dining just became a global phenomenon. Not to forget about future of AI-enhanced foods. Step into AI-driven food innovation labs, where mad food scientists experiment with futuristic flavors and textures. AI isn't just personalizing, it's creating entirely new culinary masterpieces that are as healthy as they are delicious. Each dish is a marvel, customized to enrich your diet and delight your senses. So, let's embark on this incredible adventure. Join us as we explore the future of health, food, and AI in the metaverse. It's a world where possibilities are boundless, and your well-being is at the heart of it all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more electrifying content about the future of health and technology on Pure Health Path Channel.